had a discussion about all things esports, gaming, and how gaming fits into the living space nowadays, how ergonomics has changed how we perceive a space. There are at least 2 billion gamers worldwide, and when you think about it, that's a quarter of the world's population. In Australia alone, approximately 63% of people do game. So it is such a huge industry that a lot of places have been overlooking, but now we're coming to the forefront.
Gamers don't have a lot of furniture designed for them. You know, we have a lot of unique problems. We have a lot of unique cable management problems. We have a lot of unique space problems. Most gamers I know have 2 monitors. For me personally, because I'm a Twitch streamer, I have to have all my monitors off the desk, you know, on swing arms. So I've got all this space for my 2 keyboards, 2 mice, 4 monitors in total. And that doesn't even count all the computers and consoles. You know, I want them all neatly hidden somewhere. I want all my cables hidden, but they also need ventilation. My cats, it's a lot of unique problem. My cats cause a lot of unique problems with all my hardware.
Working together with Area Academy and Unique is truly fabulous. We're taking on, 2 billion people that we didn't take care of before, and that's the gamers of the world, the esporters. So that's what this is all about. We want to give them a better way of gaming through better ergonomics. And how we go about it is actually through 3D printing techniques, which is the very first time at IKEA that we produce in that way.
I started playing when I was 19 years old. That could be considered old in a gaming life. Just 4 or 5 years ago, esports were larger than the NBA and the NFL and so on in the States. So it just shows how it's growing. I mean, for the past decade, it's been one of the most consumable sports in the Nordics.
I'm quite excited to see the different range that's going to come out, all the ways where they're going to adapt our ways of working into how the furniture will be built for us. So it's good. I mean, on the weekends and things like that, when we go out with our friends, we can all say, let's go to IKEA, because there'll also be a niche for me to go in and check out. But now there's a gaming section, so that's good. I'm excited, yeah.
What interested me about the chair is that, it is 3D printed, and 3D printing's one of my things with my friend, with my YouTube channel. So of course, anything that has the word 3D printed in it, I want to have a look at, but something like this on a much bigger scale that IKEA's doing is pretty cool to see.
You find that esports or the top level gamers, they demand the best, they want the best, and they're willing to spend money on it. So I think for IKEA to come in probably with a more cost effective but personalised range, a modular range of stuff that caters to their needs, should be a real strength, I think. Yeah.